Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to change the Google Gboard or Google Keyboard theme on your mobile. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So, how to change the Gboard theme or how to edit the Gboard theme on your mobile. So, first of all, insert the Gboard or Google Keyboard from the Play Store. Now, we just open the keyboard here. So, here just after opening the keyboard, you just need to click on the theme section. This is the theme section. So, just click on this theme section. So, now you will see a lot of theme here. This is the my theme I just used regularly. You can see the default theme. Just swipe down, you will see a lot of colors to change the theme. Just click this, just view the theme color. You can also choose two type of theme. One was the plain theme and the next one was the keyboard theme. So this is how you just apply. You can see a landscape, grad, light gradient, dark gradient colors. Just click this, just view this and just apply it. So for an example, I just going to show and just going to apply this particular green color. Just off the this and click on this apply. You can see how the keyboard color has been changed. This is how you just change the theme color on your Google keyboard. It's easy and simple to change the theme color. You can just click this to get a more view color option. So here you can just change the color easily. Just click this, just hold this and just click on apply, which actually changed the color of the keyboard. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.